Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, today in this maybe afternoon or day, we are student of UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. We have one task is to discuss one topic, and this task is given by Miss Nopi, especially at Language Center. Okay, before we jump into the discussion, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Sharif Habibi,
My name is Muhammad Fatur Rahman.
My name is Raden Muhammad Sultan.
and now we will talk about this discussion. Okay, the component of this discussion, there are four components. The first is definition.
Definition.
The second,
Is
Faktor.
factor.
factor. The third is mitigation. And the last one is the message. Okay, maybe from Fatur?
Okay. When someone asks me about head speech, I think it's a form of communication that attack or humiliate someone based on their identity, such as religion, race, ethnicity, or even it targets someone and that can lead to discrimination or maybe even conflict. And I think that hate speech happen because of several reasons. In this digital era, maybe social media makes enmity or makes hate speech even worse because people feel more free and less responsible for their word. And in my opinion, a lack of empathy can also a key factor because people don't always realize how much their word can hurt others. And maybe to prevent hate speech, I believe we need build an empathy so we can understand others better and more careful in speaking. And also we need to focus in self-control. And in the end, for message, I guess I believe that words have a real impact. Even though we have a freedom of speech, doesn't mean are we can free to hurt others. And that's why I think it's important for me and for everyone in this group, for everyone in the world, to use word wisely. And what about you, Bib?
Okay, in my opinion, hate speech is basically any kind of words that attacks or insult other people, and even a bigger group also being attacked by hate speech, such as their religion, race, or gender, or something like that. It's not just a normal disagreement, but more it is spreading hatred and negativity towards certain group, especially in harmful way. I mean, there are quite few reasons why people do that. Sometimes it comes from prejudice or stereotype they have learned, maybe from their environment, maybe from their ancestor, maybe from their culture. So other times it may be because they don't really understand how harmful the words or what they did to people. So if we come across hate speech, I think it's better not to react with more hate because fire plus fire is more bigger fire because that just makes things more worse than before. And I think the main message is that words is really matter for us. Hate speech can hurt people not just emotionally but also socially. And maybe there are some words from Sultan.
Oh, if we gonna going back to the more our moral value, hate speech is a big no guys. And hate speech, when defined by me especially, I think that hate speech is an expression of negativity. Hate speech is not a freedom of speech. Hate speech is an expression of violence and abuse. It's used to take a people rights away, self-worth, and self-respect in societies. Uh, I deeply agree with what Fatur said is the factor of the hate speech come from the emergence of social media. The emergence of social media has created multiple platform of publication of hate speech. And I think that in order to minimize this, we must raise the importance of media ethics and educate the public about social, cultural, and political right human in each individual have. And the message I would say to the people, to all the people who become the victims of hate speech, I know how much it can hurt you, and I know how much it can destroy you, but we have something that more stronger than this. Our ability to withstand pain and tears is much more stronger than any kind of hate speech that directed toward us. So that's from me.
Okay, so from all of that discussion and topics, we know that hate speech is a really dangerous topic, a really dangerous things that we can do. We also have here the quotes from Indonesia, mulutmu harimaumu. Your mouth is your tiger. Because what? If you doing hate speech, if you doing something that can hurt people psychologically, it it's hard to help apa? It's hard to be repaired again because if you hurt someone using punch, using knife, it can be relieved by antidote, by medicine. But if it come from your mouth, how we gonna relieve it? Okay, maybe just that our discussion today. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum
Wassalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
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 wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.